How to use Threads trending topics feature. Simply open your Thread application. After that, simply tap on the magnifying glass of the search bar at the top. Now, if the feature is live in your region, you'll see a list of the top trending items or topics right above your recommended accounts. If it is not live in your region, you can just tap on the bar and tap on the trending now option right over here. And you'll find all of the trending topics around the world right now. You can scroll and see yourself. Threads also inserts trending topics organically as you scroll through your customized feeds, so always check for your feed. Now you can interact easily with the trending topics via liking, commenting, sharing, reposting, and everything. And that's it, guys. In this way, you'll be able to use Threads trending topics feature. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.